Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming where your backup lives and why that matters. If you have an iCloud backup, make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi. If you used Finder or iTunes, prepare your Mac or PC and a trusted Lightning cable. Charge the iPhone above 50%, then sign into your Apple ID so activation won't block the restore. Once done, locate the backup name and note whether it's encrypted, because encrypted backups restore passwords and health data automatically, which saves time later. Now you perform the actual restore, and I'll walk you through both paths. For iCloud, erase the iPhone and during setup, choose Restore from iCloud Backup, then pick the backup and wait for the indexing to start. For Finder or iTunes, connect the iPhone, open the app, select your device, then click Restore Backup and choose the file. Make sure to enter the encryption password if requested. Otherwise, credentials and health data won't return. Keep the device connected and screen unlocked until the process completes. Finish by letting the iPhone download apps and media. This can continue in the background, so keep Wi-Fi enabled and leave the phone on the charger if needed. Once apps appear, sign back into your Apple ID and any third-party apps that require reauthentication, and verify settings, photos, messages, and health data. If you notice missing items, make sure the backup completed successfully and that you picked the correct file. Troubleshooting tip: if the restore stalls, restart the phone, switch to a faster Wi-Fi, or use a wired connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.